Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm making a quick video just because it is 11:33 p.m. and I'm kind of tired, but like this was like a week ago, I'd say. Like my friend and I, we went to Walmart, and out of curiosity we just passed by like the oil section where you see like the oil filters and the variety of oil. And there's like the Fram Extra Guard outside of its box, and like I just picked it up real quickly, and I was surprised to see that it had a silicone anti-drain back valve. And I was quite surprised. And then I got this one that fits my car, the 1988 Honda Civic. And then I also checked it, and it also has the silicone anti-drain back valve. I'll show you guys right here. Let me just see. I mean, as you could tell, it's orange. Silicone is usually always orange or like reddish kind of. And before on these extra guards, it used to have a nitrile rubber anti-drain back valve, which isn't bad, but silicone is always better. It resists the heat and the cold more. But other than that, other than the anti-drain back valve, the filter media is improved. I don't know of what, but it's like a new filter for 2018. Like Fram has really stepped up their game this year. It says new improved protection. This only used to be for used with conventional oil, but down here on the small letters it says for conventional or synthetic oil. So yeah, that's really good. Like I always use like full synthetic oil. And then the filters, I hardly use these filters. I have nothing against it, but I used to use these like a long time ago. But like, I mean, because they're cheap, they get the job done. They don't do the best job, but it still gets it done. So that's the good thing about it. Like my dad has been using it on his C1500 94 Suburban. It almost has 300,000 miles with no problem. We go back and forth with these and the Tough Guards. We use I mean, you do the oil changes quite often on that one, like 3 to 4,000 miles with conventional or semi blend of the oil. So yeah, Fram has stepped up their game. Let me take you around to this section. It even says right there. You can read it for yourself, maybe pause it. So yeah, I have no problem using these filters. It's known as the orange can of death. So I mean, luckily it hasn't happened to me, but I'm grateful for that. But I don't think, it might just be human error, but like by people not changing it. But I mean, it can be human error all the time. Might be like a defective filter and all that. So, but like I've heard stories of like people freaking blowing up their engines and it tears apart. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised with the end caps it has. It's not even metal, but it's like it's not cardboard either. But like I'm pretty sure the engineers had to get some sort of material to withstand pressures, heat, and all that. So I mean, and then this used to be rated for 5,000 miles, but I guess you could go longer. I don't know exactly for how long, but you could go longer with this. So yeah, I wouldn't have a problem going like even to 7,500 miles with this. So yeah, this is it, man. Fram stepping up their game for 2018. I'm glad that they're doing that because well, yeah, like who doesn't want a quality product? Because honestly, like you gotta be real. Like we like us gearheads look for the best oil filters and all that, but like for the average Joe, this would do perfectly fine. And then like another, like, I mean, I don't know exact percentage, but like more than 50% of the consumers would get this filter. One, because it's cheap and it still gets the job done. People, as long as it gets the job done, they don't care about like the very best, like as long as it still gets it done. I feel like I said that too much. All right, so yeah, Fram Extra Guard, man. Silicone anti-drain back valve. Thank you, YouTube. Have a good night.